I mean, besides of the show, besides of the amazing venue, of the amazing city of Dubai, you can spend a few days here. It's the amazing concentration of exhibition of the whole industry. It's a show of power of the industry, and the speakers lineup is impressive. I mean, there are so many conferences out there, but this is the first in the, I hope, in the final phase of the pandemic, which reminds us of the good old days. Good to be part of it.
I'll invite every single one of the dentists that would be able to be here for the next Aesthetic World, because this is the chance where you can talk to your peers, collaborate, see the advances in dentistry and all the tools that we have available for us and all the trends that are coming and everything that it is available for you right now, and then you can be part of it to make sure and to assure you that you can be part of this. It's something that it's real, it's here, and it's for you.
The Aesthetic World is a place where we can find people from all over the world, best professionals from many areas of dentistry, and you can have here, you can find a way to have the best aesthetic results for your patients. That's the focus.
It's a beautiful place, it's a beautiful venue, there is international lectures, it's a top-packed circuit with a lot of information that you are just, you want to know because you want to keep updated. And if we look upon the story until this year, you know, it's like you're kind of a sponge. Everybody needed it. We needed to meet in physical again, and we needed not to be online doing our vacuum cleaning, or whatever we do, watch telly and watch the kids. Now we're in the room and we can interact and we can exchange knowledge with peers.